Yeah.
Okay?
Faded, very faded over there.
Remember, no white underbase.
Wow.
Yes, we have it on our website. So I'm going to run it through one more time just because it was a little fast. And they say, man, I need some black shirts. And I got all these pinks. They'll go back and re-dye them with pigment dye, turn those pink shirts into black. When they turn them to black, that's no longer a reactive dye. So when you discharge it, it'll turn pink and then black again. Okay? So it'll activate it for a few seconds. Once it cools down, the pigment dye comes back. And guess who gets blamed for that all the time? The ink company. Your ink doesn't work. It's not working now. So you have to do your test with the fabric. I like to use the inner part of the fabric. See how they fold it up in here? I'll put a little bit of discharge in here, run it through the dryer, activate it, okay, and see if it's going to discharge or not. Okay, that's how you save yourself from damaging too many shirts. All right? So, but like I was telling this gentleman today, 10%. Take home 10%, you know, and we just build on that, okay? So if you have any questions, I'll be over here hanging out by the press before the ink dries. I'm going to go there and print some more shirts. Just keep it going. 157, but the higher the mesh count, the minimal amount of moisture on there, the quicker it'll discharge. It'll work, okay? And another advantage of discharge, you can use it as an underbase for your plastisol, okay? So instead of using a white underbase, this is actually a very economical solution as an underbase for your plastisol. And it helps your plastisol get softer. Okay, and I do have a sample of a plastisol print with discharge underneath it. Okay? If you want to go and print one, you're more than welcome to print one as well. Okay? We got some extra shirts over there if you want to take one home with you. All right?